Before we go into steps, understand this. House construction is not just about building walls. It's a legal, financial, and technical process. There are three pillars: legal safety, proper planning, and budget control. If you ignore even one, your project will suffer. Step 1: land verification. This is the most important step. In Bangalore, many buyers unknowingly purchase problematic properties. You must check title clarity, mother deed, encumbrance certificate EC, Khata, layout approval, site boundaries and measurements. Make sure there are no legal issues on the property. Civil Circle helps you verify all documents before we start the construction process, which is crucial. Step 2: site analysis and soil test. Now let's talk about the land itself. Every site is different. You need to check soil, topography, water level, and road access. Why testing soil matters? If soil is weak, foundation cost can increase by 20 to 30%, and if ignored, cracks, settlement issues, and long-term structural damage. Step 3: Vastu and orientation. In Bangalore, many clients prefer Vastu, but here's the truth. Good design is a balance between Vastu, ventilation, and natural light. Blindly following Vastu without planning can reduce usability. At Civil Circle, our team ensures proper airflow, maximum sunlight, smart space usage, Vastu-based house planning. Step 4: architectural design. This is where your dream starts becoming reality. Design is not just looks, it's strategy. Architectural designing includes 2D floor plan, 3D elevation, architectural working drawings like civil, electrical, plumbing, etc. Before you start your house planning, ask yourself, do you want rental income, duplex for self-use, G+4 investment building? Example, a 30-40 site can generate 1.5 to 2.5 lakhs at rental income if planned correctly. Bad design is wasted space and lower income. At Civil Circle, we specialize in proper planning and space utilization, ensuring there is proper natural light and ventilation. Step 5: plan approval. This is where many people get stuck. In Bangalore, approvals depend on your area. Before starting house construction, a sanctioned plan from concerned authority like GBA, BMRDA, BDA, Town Planning Authority, etc., is required, without which you can't get temporary power, water and sanitary from BWSSB, bank loan for construction, etc. Note: generally, B Khata properties don't get plan approval and even bank loans. Only NBFC Bank give loans at higher interest rates when compared to A Khata properties. A sanctioned plan will have details such as setbacks, height of the building, number of floors, FAR, number of units, parking area, total built-up area, rainwater harvesting area, etc. If you skip approval and start construction, you may face penalties, demolition risk, and resale problems. At Civil Circle, we handle full approval process before starting the house construction. Now, step 6: cost estimation. This is the biggest mistake zone. Most people underestimate construction cost. In Bangalore, here's the house construction cost. Basic, rupees 1,800 to 2,200 per square feet, suitable for rental construction. Premium, rupees 2,200 to 2,500 per square feet, suitable for duplex house. Luxury, 2,700 to 3,500 per square feet, suitable for premium duplex house. Always keep 10 to 15% buffer and make sure the selected contractor doesn't keep any hidden charges in his construction contract. One needs to keep aside 10 to 15% additional for other works such as borewell, soil testing, BWSSB deposits, BESCOM deposits, plan approval charges, architect and structural fees, road cutting, etc. At Civil Circle, we give detailed cost breakdown and no surprises. We make sure that we inform our clients about these additional charges before starting the house construction, so that clients are well prepared with their budget planning. Step 7: labor contractor versus building contractor. These are the two options that you can choose before starting house construction in Bangalore. Option 1: choosing labor contractor. If you're thinking about choosing a labor contractor, here's the hard truth most people ignore. What looks like a cost saving decision can quickly turn into a daily headache that consumes your time, energy, and peace of mind. You're not just building a house, you are becoming the project manager. That means handling unpredictable laborers every single day, arranging materials on time or facing delays, ensuring work matches architectural drawings and structural guidelines, constant site supervision to avoid costly mistakes. Now imagine doing all this while managing your full time job. Miss a few site visits and things start slipping. Wrong execution, poor quality, delays, and suddenly your dream home becomes a stressful burden. We have seen real cases where work completely stops due to poor coordination. Costs spiral out of control because of mismanagement. Labor contractors abandon the project midway. At that point, fixing mistakes costs far more than what you initially saved. So before you choose a labor contract, ask yourself, do you truly have the time, knowledge, and control to handle everything daily? Because if you don't, this decision can delay your home, drain your finances, and test your patience more than you expect. Option 2, choosing building contractor. If you're thinking of hiring a building contractor, here's the reality people don't realize. What feels like a slightly higher cost decision can actually save you from months of stress and delays and costly mistakes. Because with a building contractor, you're not managing the project, they are. That means one single point of responsibility for the entire construction. Labor management handled without your daily involvement. Materials arranged on time, avoiding unnecessary delays. Execution strictly following architectural and structural drawings. Clear timelines and better coordination across all stages. Now imagine this. Instead of rushing to the site every day, dealing with calls from labor, or worrying about material shortages, you have someone accountable for everything. A professional building contractor. Finish projects on time with better quality. Avoid unexpected cost escalations. Stay stress free while focusing on their work and family. Get structured progress instead of daily uncertainty. And the biggest advantage, if something goes wrong, you're not the one fighting. The contractor is responsible. So before you try to save money by managing everything yourself, ask yourself, is your time, peace of mind, and project quality worth the risk? Because a good contractor doesn't just build your house, they protect your entire investment. Turnkey is ideal for working professionals. Civil Circle provides end-to-end turnkey construction from design to handover. Now, step 8, agreements and safety. Never start any contract without agreement. A contractor agreement should include timeline, payment schedule, material specifications, delay penalties, basic cost of materials used, etc. Step 9, preparation. Before construction begins, get site cleaning done and cross-check the site measurements. Get temporary power connection, water storage setup, bore well if needed. Construct temporary shed for storing building materials, temporary shed for watchmen to take care of materials at site. Now you are ready to start your house construction. Why choose Civil Circle? So these are the complete pre-construction steps in Bangalore. If you follow this properly, you will save lakhs and avoid stress. And if you want experts to handle everything, Civil Circle offers architecture design, plan approval, construction, project management. Contact Civil Circle for all architecture and house construction services in Bangalore. Comment below what stage are you in? Planning, land purchased, or ready to build? We shall personally guide you. It takes a lot of time and effort to make such informative videos. So do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.